rapid round with all our chief guests today. Okay, so please spotlight Mr. More and Mrs. Kavita. Please spotlight them. I'm doing this without your permission, actually.
No problem.
Okay, fine.
No problem.
So are we ready? Natasha ma'am, Kavita ma'am, and More sir, right? Okay.
Yes.
Then a big round of applause for all of them, please.
So now, like the first question which comes to you is, are you a morning person or a night person?
Morning person.
Morning person. Okay.
Morning.
Natasha? Okay.
Absolutely morning person.
Absolutely morning person. Okay. Can anybody tell me why morning person?
I think you're more fresh. At least I am more fresher. I am more receptive to learning. I'm more receptive to, my moods are much better. I am more fresh after a good sleep. So that's one thing. And I think I like sunrises more than sunsets, maybe because of that.
Fine.
For me, it has been instilled. For me, it has been instilled by my parents. Coming from a very orthodox South Indian family, it has always been getting up at 4 o'clock before sunrise and doing things, going for prayers, going for temples. So I have been a morning person.
Right.
Even I'm the morning person. So for my meditation and yoga, I get up early so that
I know.
it should be in my practice.
Yes.
So
yes.
basically, I'm morning person. Yeah.
Yes. Your
Thank you.
introduction was that, like, you are a very, hardcore yoga person at heart, nice. Even I love to start my day with yoga, and the sport which I like is swimming, which is not allowed right now. Okay, fine. Now moving to the next question. We'll start with in a sequence of the screen, like we'll start with Natasha ma'am, Kavita ma'am, and then More sir. Okay, so Natasha ma'am, the next question comes to you: Android or Apple?
Oh, Apple all the way.
All the way. Kavita ma'am.
Apple.
Okay, so
Android.
Android. Okay, fine. So next question is gold or silver?
Silver.
Silver.
For me, it's gold.
It's gold.
As I told, it also comes from being a South Indian. We love to wear gold.
Nice. Okay, sir.
My both are not in my option. I believe in stocks. So whenever this is not my
Money matter plays.
Yeah,
So we have a person who can guide us, give us tips where to invest, right?
Yes.
Anytime we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
bother you for that, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay, nice. So, ma'am, the next round of questions is, you can here tell us why also. Now, Natasha ma'am, if you were an animal or a bird, what would you like to be?
If I were an animal, I'd like to be a tiger or a tigress.
Okay.
One, I think I like that animal. I think the animal is so beautifully created by God. I think the stripes and the looks and everything. And I think there are certain qualities of tiger, fierceness, protectiveness, grace is something which I think I somehow like to imbibe from the tigress. So yeah, tigress is what I would be if in case.
Fine. So it comes to now Kavita ma'am.
Yes, I would assume myself, or I can imagine myself as a vulture that is called as Garu. For that, why the question? I would like to say a small doha over here. प्रसादों के कनखाब शिखर होते हैं कबूतरों के ही घर, महलों में गरुड़ न बसता है, कंचन पर कभी न सोता है, वो बसता कहीं पहाड़ों में शैलों की फटी दरारों में.
Wow.
Nice.
Which I think many of them have not understood what that means. So it is like प्रसादों के कनखाब शिखर होते हैं कबूतरों के ही घर. That is, when you temple or any dome kind of structure.
Mhm.
Generally, stay there. प्रसादों के कनखा शिखर होते हैं कबूतरों के ही घर. महलों में गरुड़ बसता है. Like
Okay.
world stays in palaces or they don't need comfort.
Right.
कंचन कभी न सोता है. कंचन is gold. पर कभी न सोता है. वो बसता कहीं पहाड़ों में शैलों की फटी दरारों में. He stays in the caves, in highlands or the creeks. So for me, aspiration is very high. That's why I see myself as vultures.
Top of the world, right?
Yeah.
Nice. So now it's now More sir's time. आप animal bird क्या choose करना चाहोगे?
Snow leopard.
Okay, snow leopard.
Yeah, because I've found it like from it's very shy kind of a person, and it the personality of that animal is similar to me. So
Okay.
and I love Himalayas, so snow leopard generally, we find it there.
Okay.
So of course, snow leopard.
Great, great. So
Nobody
tiger.
asked me such questions in my life, so I was.
Me too.
Thank you.
Nice. So tigress, vulture, and snow leopard. Nice, great.
Yeah.
And so the next question comes to you, Natasha ma'am, is if you had one superpower, what would you do?
Wow. If I had a superpower, and what would I do? Well, I'd make myself omnipresent.
Okay.
I don't know. So I have so many things in mind which I want to do, not just professionally, because I'm kind of driven by this purpose of making a difference to people's life in whatever little way I can do. And I feel there is lesser time to do that. And you're caught up in the worldly things so much that, yes, I'd like to be able to be with people and coach them, mentor them, help them in whatever way I can. So maybe if I had that, I would use it more often so that I could reach out to more people maybe.
Correct. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Kavita ma'am.
Yeah, if there would have been one superpower which I could use and convert everyone's heart to be more human.
Oh.
So mitigate every kind of bias or difference from this world. So we are doing that through a Seva program of our school, which is social empowerment with actions.
Okay.
So we are already to it. I'm utilizing my students as my superpower to make this change. But that would be the change I want in the world. Like I want to make everyone more human. Like,
Right, right. Great, great thought, ma'am. And it's very, very needed because day by day we are becoming very materialistic and very, focused on our work, career, and all those things. And in the meantime, we have forgotten all those things which were really, really important and which kept us so, the whole society was stick to it, and in our culture
we
as
have
well.
become self-centered. Yeah.
Yes, we have become more self-centered. Nice. So, More sir, it's your time. Superpower.
Superpower. What should I answer for this? I would have killed coronavirus, maybe.
Okay. Yeah, that would have been
Yeah,
really
that-
helpful.
That is needed. The need of the hour.
needed. I'm missing my kids.
Okay.
I've not seen them from a long time. Only on screen we interact. So
Okay. Fine, fine, great. You did a very practical thing, practical use of your power. Fine, wonderful. Your answers were wonderful. Now, the next question comes to you is, are you there, Natasha ma'am? Are you there? Hello, Natasha ma'am? Okay, we'll start with Kavita. Yeah, she'll join again. So the question comes to you, Kavita ma'am. If you were to be stuck on a deserted island, whom would you like to be with?
Definitely the world to me are my children
Okay.
and my kids. So if there is a space where I'm deserted, the only people whom I want to be with, like who I'm responsible for, like my kids, I want to be safe and in front of my eyes. So I would be wanting to be with my kids.
Great, great. So Kavita ma'am is having two wonderful daughters. Ma'am, what are they doing? Can you just tell us?
Yeah, my two daughters, the elder one is Diya Sonavne. She is doing her BDS in DY Patil, Mumbai.
Okay.
And the younger one is Kavya Sonavne. She is in grade 10 now in the world school.
Okay. Okay, fine. Nice. So More sir, over to you. Where would you like to be? I mean, whom with you like to be, like in the deserted island? We are not able to unmute. Yeah.
You're talking about one person I have to be on the island, or
Okay,
more
you
than
can
that?
have more than one person. You have
Yeah,
it.
of course. Then my family, of course.
Okay.
My family.
Fine. So the first preference is the family for both of you. Nice, nice. So Natasha ma'am, are you there? Is Natasha ma'am there? She's
No,
left.
ma'am.
Okay, maybe some
Yeah.
connection problem. No problems. We'll move to the next round. So I'll give you 3 words and you have to put them in the order of your preference. Okay. So the first word is money, happiness, and truth. You have to order it according to your preference. Money. Yeah, I'm not able to hear you. Please unmute yourself. Yeah.
It is
Money
money, happiness,
and truth.
and truth. First is truth.
Okay.
Second is happiness. And of course, third is money.
Okay.
Even it doesn't come third for
Okay.
me.
Okay. More sir?
Truth, happiness, and money.
Truth, happiness, and money. So both your sequences are same. Natasha ma'am, do you have a twist to this? Please unmute.
Sorry, I got logged off. The data got dropped
Okay,
off.
I'll
so-
repeat it.
Okay.
The
Yes.
3 words are there and you have to rearrange according to your preferences, right? So it is money, happiness, and truth. So what is your preference?
Happiness and truth.
Money.
Truth, happiness, and money.
Okay, same for all. Nice. We missed one question for you.
Okay.
Yeah. If you were stuck on a deserted island, whom would you like to be with?
Only one person I could be with.
No, you can choose that. Yes,
I
you want.
gave you more than one option. Everybody wants more than one option.
Okay. Who would I be with? I know, tricky, but so I don't know who all, but I'll give you like maybe a group of people in the sense that so music is very dear to me, and if I am in a maroon island,
Hmm.
I'd like to make most use of the time and ensure that I get to spend a lot of time with probably the best musicians of the world. So maybe like a Michael Jackson, maybe Jagjit Singh, who I've not been able to kind of see him live. So yes, maybe I might as well spend my time well on the island with a lot of music around me. So yeah, some great musicians would be great company.
Great, nice. So the next question comes to you, Kavita ma'am, is that music, dance, acting.
Music
Dance, acting.
in the same sequence which
Same
you
sequence.
said.
Okay, Morisa.
Acting, music, and then dance.
Okay, acting, music, and then dance. Natasha ma'am.
I think for me, music and dance would stay on number 1, and then actually acting also. Yeah. So music, dance, acting, but no specific order. They are all like probably on the
Okay.
same pedestal for me.
Fine.
A lot of acting happens in the profession I do. So you have to do a lot of role plays. So your
Yes.
acting skills anyway get honed by that.
So, yesterday I was witnessing you and Sumit sir in that training, and you were doing some role play.
Is it? Yeah, I was being a very nasty customer to the participants.
Great. So in your profession itself, you're able to explore this passion of yours,
Oh
right?
yes, absolutely. And I don't leave an opportunity to do that.
Yeah. And I would like to tell everybody, like, she's a very good singer as well. Natasha ma'am sings and she does programs as well in Mumbai once a year, every year. Maybe next time you can inform Maurice sir, he can come to your.
I will definitely. More the merrier. I'd like more audiences
Yes.
rooting for me.
Great. So the last question, I will not take much of your time. So the last question comes to you, Kavita ma'am, is vegetable, fruits and grains.
It is vegetable, fruits and grains in the same order.
Same order.
Vegetable love the most, being a vegetarian.
Oh, you are a
Fruit.
vegetarian.
I'm a pure vegetarian. Fruits comes the second part because I feel I'm a bit of diet conscious, and grains are the third choice of carbs. Yes.
Great. Maurice sir.
Vegetable, fruits, and then grain.
Vegetable, fruits and then grains. Nice. Okay, Natasha.
So for me would be vegetables, grains, and then fruits. So I'm a very, I love rice.
Okay.
I come from the north and rice is not, you know it, it's not very prevalent there. And when I was born, I was probably told many a times that I don't know, where have you come from? We don't eat. So North Indians eat more of गेहूं.
Yeah.
But मुझे राइस बहुत पसंद है, इडली बहुत पसंद है, so वो सब डोसा बहुत पसंद है, वो सब grains के बिना बन नहीं सकता. I like a lot of pulses. So yes, grains is second for me.
So like you like the dishes of Kavita ma'am's, actually the ma'am comes from.
Yes,
that side.
absolutely. Absolutely. I love one of the top on my list, which I really cherish, is the dishes from the south of India. Yeah.
South of India. Same here. Same here. I would, whenever I go to a restaurant, I would first order masala dosa. That's, everybody, they don't ask me, also they order it. Okay. So, but ma'am, one unique thing we came to know from this session, Kavita ma'am, that you know 7 languages. Can you tell us which those 7 languages are?
Yeah.
Three common languages which everyone knows: Hindi, English, Marathi. In South Maharashtra, we all know these 3 languages. Apart from that, I can speak, write and read Telugu. That is my mother tongue. Kannada being very close to it, I do understand, not completely, but 85-90%, though the script is also same. That's the reason I can understand well. And my mother being from MP, I know Chhattisgarhi. Then my being from Bihar, and like my maternal and paternal grandparents, we used to visit. The reason I know Chhattisgarhi and Bengali, I can understand Bengali completely. And my parents are now staying from past 20 years in Punjab, Ludhiana, so I can understand and Punjabi as well.
I just have one word for you. Wow.
And Sanskrit. We have learned that in school. So
yes.
Read and understand Sanskrit. If someone speaks very clearly and purely in Sanskrit, South Indian languages such also are made up of 80% Sanskrit directly. So that's the reason I understand Sanskrit as well.
Yes. Sanskrit
These are the
really, really nice, because nowadays even artificial intelligence, they say that we need to learn Sanskrit for that, it will help a lot if you know Sanskrit for artificial intelligence. So ma'am, you are actually a little computer, because so many languages. I'm really amazed about it. Thank you. It was really wonderful talking to you. And this rapid fire actually gave me the chance to interact with all of you better, much, much better, right?
Maurice sir said, after many years, we have been questioned, like being in the chair of a principal or the head of the institute. We have never been asked about ourselves, or personal questions have never been to us. It is just about, what do you think of new education policy? What do you think of education? What do you think of primary education? How it has to be interacted? How teacher training has to be done? But we were never, so it's a bit of fun. And so thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes.
How to answer these kind of personal questions.
Yes, definitely. But I did it without your permission. I'm sorry for that.
That was the fun part. You caught us unaware.
Yeah, I got you, Annabelle. So, Morissa, did you enjoy the rapid fire?
Of course, I've enjoyed.
Okay,
Very
thank you.
nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.